not a destination, but a process. It's all about how to drive, not where to reach.
Teachers encourages young minds to think, hands to create, and hearts to be kind. Teachers' words inspires us to bring the best out of ourselves. So, for Teachers' Thought, I would like to invite Ms. Mamta Thakkar ma'am to enlighten us with her golden words.
World Mental Health Day, a day of opportunity to work in this direction. You don't have to handle all the burden all alone. So, show trust in your family and friends whenever you feel turbulence in your mind. It is quite normal that you feel emotional disturbance, but my dear children, you don't have to stick there for too long. So I wish you all a very happy World Mental Health Day. Thank you and have a nice day.
God's mercy is always fresh in the form of a bright new morning. So to spread positivity, I invite Aman for English Thought.
Good morning to you all. My name is Aman Sharma of class 10 and I am going to present a positive thought in front of you. Mental health is priority, happiness is essential, and self-care is necessity. Happiness can only be found in darkest of time if only one can remember to turn on light of hope. Thank you.
लॉकडाउन के दौरान मानसिक तनाव और अवसाद जैसे विषय चर्चा का महत्वपूर्ण और सामान्य विषय थे। लेकिन सवाल यह है कि क्या हम सभी ने कभी इस बारे में चर्चा की है कि मानसिक स्वास्थ्य क्या है?
Mental health is an integral and essential component of our life. So, the WHO Constitution states that health is a complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. This clearly means that mental health is fundamental to our collective and individual ability.
मानसिक स्वास्थ्य कल्याण की एक ऐसी स्थिति है जिसमें व्यक्ति अपनी क्षमताओं का एहसास कर सकता है, जीवन के सामान्य तनावों का सामना कर सकता है, उत्पादक रूप से काम कर सकता है और साथ ही अपने समुदाय में योगदान देने में सक्षम बनता है।
So hereby we the students of class 10th commence our special assembly on the topic mental health in this unequal world.
And so now we call Ashka and Divya to begin further with the program.
किससे डरते हो, रोग से या लोग से? जानना तुम्हारा अब है जरूरी। ये बीमारी नहीं है कोई मजबूरी। छोड़ दो उन्हें जो हर ले मन की शांति, साथ दो अपना, दिलाओ खुद को क्रांति।
मत रहो चुप, तोड़ो ये चुप्पी, बात करो, प्रॉब्लम बताओ। अगर खरोच आती मन पर तो बोलने से मत घबराओ। अगर स्ट्रेस्ड हो या डिप्रेस्ड तो मेंटल थेरेपिस्ट के पास जाओ।
आप सभी को कक्षा 10वीं के छात्रों की ओर से नमस्कार। जैसे कि आप सभी जानते हैं कि कुछ हफ्तों पहले हमने प्रोजेक्ट मेंटल हेल्थ इन अनस्टेबल माइंड्स के तहत कुछ सर्वेक्षण किए।
Greetings everyone. Did you know that the average age that people start showing early signs of mental illness is 14 years old? This is one of many reasons why Bal Bhavan Public School involved in mental illness awareness. To get to know the level of awareness among general masses regarding their mental health, we, the students of classes 10th class, conducted a survey on mental health awareness. So without much ado, let's see what were the responses.
Through this, we can infer that around 36.1% people are having a high rating for their mental health. Most of the people have a unique definition for their own mental health. Some says it includes our emotional, psychological and social well-being, while others say that it's a person condition with regard to its environment. Through this bar graph, we can conclude that approximately 25.6% people have faced mental stress in their workplace or daily life. This one interestingly showcases that who all have been known to Mental Health Day before. Herein, some people say they heard about mental health just 3 to 4 months ago, others says years back, and some got to know about it on the day of survey itself.
The truth is, there are many reasons that people might find it difficult to open up about a mental health problem. Some reasons for this that young people told news around include worries that people may think you are weird or leave you out, not wanting to be treated any differently. It is crucial to understand that mental health includes our emotional, psychological, and social well being. It affects how we think, feel, and act. It also helps determine how we handle stress, relate to others, and make choices. Mental health is important at every stage of life, from childhood and adolescence through adulthood. Over the course of our life, if you experience mental health problems, your thinking, mood, and behavior could be affected. Many factors contribute to mental health problems, including biological factors such as genes or brain chemistry, life experiences such as trauma or abuse, family history of mental health problems. Mental health problems are common and help is available. People with mental health problems can get better and many recover completely. As it is rightly said by an eminent American author, Rick Warren, your illness is not your identity. Your chemistry is not your character.
बात शुरू होती है एक सामान्य परिवार की रोज की दिनचर्या से, जहां एक विद्यार्थी तनावग्रस्त है।
आ गई बेटा।
हाँ, लेकिन मुझे बहुत थकान हो रही है। माँ, आजकल मुझे बहुत तनाव होता है। मैं छोटी छोटी बातों पर तनावग्रस्त हो जाती हूँ और ये सरदर्द तो कभी मेरा पीछा ही नहीं छोड़ता।
ठीक है बच्चे, चिंता मत करो, ये सिर्फ खराब मौसम की वजह से है।
पर माँ, कभी कभी मेरा दम घुटता है।
अपने कमरे में जाओ, इस पर ज्यादा ध्यान मत दो, कुछ समय बाद ये अपने आप ठीक हो जाएगा। तुम बस अपनी पढ़ाई पर ध्यान दो।
तो देखा आप सभी ने किस तरीके से एक मानसिक तकलीफ को खराब मौसम का परिणाम बता दिया गया है।
ये तो आजकल के हर घर के हालात हैं। अब देखते हैं कि एक नौकरी पेशा इंसान की जिंदगी पर मानसिक तनाव का क्या परिणाम होता है।
शो मी योर वर्क।
मैडम, ये रहा।
ओके।
मैडम, माय प्रमोशन।
Promotion? What kind of work you are doing that now you need a promotion?
After such an eventful day and an upset mind, employee gets back to his home. Let's see what happens.
आप वापस आ गए। आइए मैं आपको रात का खाना परोसूं।
ये क्या बनाया है? मैंने तुम्हें कितनी बार कहा है ना कि ये सब मत बनाया करो।
क्या हो रहा है?
नाटक में हम सभी ने देखा कि कितनी तेजी से मानसिक तनाव हमारे आसपास के माहौल को खराब कर देता है। अब तक हमने बात की मानसिक समस्याओं की, अब बात करते हैं इसके समाधान की और देखते हैं गुड मेंटल हेल्थ पर डॉक्टर की एडवाइसेस।
This is a story of our lives. We often do forget that our loved ones always care and need the healthy us, which cannot be built until we learn to fight mental stress and depression. But do we actually know how to deal with day-to-day life and maintain mental health? To unlock these questions, let's listen to Mrs. Verma, a well-known psychiatrist of Delhi.
Yes, in our experience, we doctors have seen that a very small number of people have themselves initiated to check up their mental health. Mental health includes our emotional, psychological and social well-being. It affects how we think, feel and act. It also determines how we handle stress, relate to others and make choices. Mental health is a very important at every stage of life, from childhood, adolescence and throughout their adulthood. Our patients are usually brought at a stage when the stress takes the form of extreme depression. In such cases, the person becomes unconscious while being awake. He or she never knows what he is doing and loses the ability to differentiate between right and wrong.
Exactly. In such cases, the patient is really harmful to both himself as well as others. We never know that a common headache can be a sign of a big mental disease. After researches, we have found it really important to focus on mental health, which we call self-care. In serious cases, the patients are needed to immediate prescription by the doctor. But day-to-day life, we all are so busy. Are there any special tips for self-care? I mean, in context of mental health.
There are generally some exercises that we recommend. Meditation and aerobic exercises like running, jogging, cycling, swimming and more.
A person must actually just have the spirit which we call mental strength. That one spirit can make a person optimistic towards the challenges and the person happily deals with the problems rather than stressing over it. And for that dedication and happiness, people must enjoy life by appreciating themselves and doing what they like, following passions, etc. This positive spirit can actually help us being strong mentally, being happy and positive. Thank you.
Our batchmate Ishank Sharma have initiated a helping hand for the mental well-being of the society. They have used their AI skills for this project. Now let's have a glimpse of it.
Hello everyone. Today I am here with a very interesting project, that is Jarvis Assistant. You all might have heard of Alexa, Google Assistant and Siri. These all are a type of chatbot. Also, mostly cases of mental problems come up because the people don't have anyone to talk to them. So, this project can help all those people to interact and talk, as even they know that machines can't judge them. So, they can interact even more freely. So, I have also come up with a very simple and interesting chatbot, that is Jarvis. It can open apps that you want, do Google search for you, do YouTube search for you, Wikipedia search, tell you time, weather, and even crack joke when your mood isn't good, and recite nursery rhyme for young ones. So now let's test it.
Good evening, sir. I am Lady Jarvis, an assistant designed and created by Ishank Sharma. How can I help you?
Hello Jarvis, how are you?
I am nice and full of energy.
Jarvis, could you please tell me what's the time right now?
Sir, the time is 17 hours 22 minutes and 41 seconds.
Jarvis, please remember one thing for me.
What would you like me to write down?
Today I have a very important meeting at 6 p.m.
What should I name it?
Reminder.
I have made a note of that, sir.
Thank you, Jarvis.
Sir, no need for saying thank you. I am just doing my work.
Jarvis, switch the tab. Jarvis, by the way, you're very intelligent.
Not me, but my creator is way more intelligent.
Jarvis, could you please tell me ways for stress management?
Yes, sir, sure. First of all, you may try doing few exercises and meditations. Then, have a good sleep and have a good nutritious diet, and, most importantly, always discuss your problems with others.
Okay, thank you, Jarvis.
Sir, no need for saying thank you. I am just doing my work.
Jarvis, bye.
Bye, sir. Have a good day.
So as you can see, everything that I said, it did that. Everything was so nice and it told me the correct answer of riddles. So it's perfect. It's very easy chatbot. Thank you.
Some fantastic ways to enhance our mental health. Let's see what its practical implications results in. Child comes out of room and smilingly asks mothers for snack.
Mom, where are my snacks?
You feel very happy a minute before you were too angry. How so?
Just be smiling, positive, and enthusiastic. I have learned now that the dedication and will to make it more happy not only relieves us from stress and negativity, but also makes our life more peaceful.
As you all saw in this video, that how a student learned to be positive and to raise all his emotions like fear, anxiety and depression. We also advise you one more thing, that is speaking up.
Yes, you heard it right. Speaking up. We often control ourselves, keeping the emotions, the pain, the fear just confined to ourselves. But why? Trust issues or embarrassment. At this age of time, we are surrounded with the people who always protect us like a wall, who hold us when we fall. But still we feel embarrassed to just make a single call. But why?
We all feel very embarrassed to talk about our emotions, which is not needed. Our small steps towards a healthy communication can make all of us better for each other. We feel free and honest to talk.
Don't you think we being the social beings talk to less and rather type more? Thinking why? So my friends, the answer is honesty. We are no more like an open book, and that is why it has become too tough to talk. Free yourselves from these foundations. Just like the artists who pick up any color and mix them beautifully on a canvas, so do the poets. Creatives and poets are renowned for using the subject of mental illness in their work. This poem by clinical psychotherapist Joe Camacho beautifully articulates the internal battle of our brain, the chimp brain which often takes control. The wise owl seen here is fighting with the chimp who is determined to make the situation worse. Now let's enjoy this beautiful poetry.
The Owl and the Chimpanzee by Joe Camacho. The owl and the chimpanzee went to sea in a beautiful boat called the Mind. The owl was sensible, clever and smart. The chimp was a little behind. The owl made decisions based on fact and knew where to steer its ship. The chimp reacted a little too fast and often the boat would tip. The waves would come and crash abroad. The chimp would start to cry. Large tears would roll right down his face, afraid that he would die. The chimp and the owl would wrestle at night. When the world was quiet and still, the chimp would jump up and rock the boat, and the boat would start to fill. Then the owl stepped in and grabbed the pail and started to empty it out. And the chimp would start to get quite across and would often scream and shout. The battle continued night after night until the chimp started to see that if it let the owl take control, a more peaceful night it would be.
Now let's witness a beautiful dance performance.
ठीक हूँ, बस सिमट गया हूँ घर के कोने में कहीं, ढूंढ लेता हूँ खुद को आईने में कभी। मैं ठीक हूँ। हैं कुछ लोग जो पूछते हैं कैसे हो, जवाब बस ठीक सा कोई दे देता हूँ। मिलता हूँ लोगों से तो मुस्कुरा लेता हूँ, लेकिन मैं अक्सर अकेले में रो देता हूँ। मैं ठीक हूँ।
गहरी सी है उदासी, थकने लगा बदन, यादों का ध्यान का क्यों हो रहा है दमन। खुशियाँ खामोश है, नींद टूटी हुई, जख्मी है हौसला, भूख सूखी हुई। वक्त राहों में अब धूल से भर गया, वास्ता खुद से ही जाने क्यों मर गया, जाने क्यों मर
अवसाद है तो संवाद से ही सुलझेगा। करोगे बात तो हर बात का हल निकलेगा। कि लंबी चौड़ी फ्रेंड लिस्ट में कोई तो दोस्त भी होगा जो सुनेगा तुम्हारे हर जज्बात को और उसे गहराई से समझेगा। मन की गांठों को चुप्पी के तालों में ना यूं कैद करो। खोलोगे लब तो गांठों की सुलझन का भी हल निकलेगा। तो गांठों की सुलझन का भी हल निकलेगा।
ऐ परिंदे यूं अब के उड़ा कर तू, जा चला सूरज को जाके आसमां पे तू। ऐ परिंदे भर ऐसी उड़ाने तू, हर नजर ये तुझसे पूछे आग इतनी क्यों। धूल उड़ा जाके मंजिलों पे यूं, के इन हवाओं से तेरी यारी है। उड़ जा अब तेरी बारी है, उड़ जा अब तेरी बारी है। उड़ जा अब तेरी बारी है। राहों में जो भी आए वो बादल बन के मुश्किलों के, उनको बता देना रे, परे रहना रे जिंदा दिलों से। हो अंदाज है तेरा बेफिक्र मौज तू, के अब तेरी मुट्ठी में दुनिया सारी है। अब तेरी बारी है, उड़ जा अब तेरी बारी है। मुट्ठी में दुनिया सारी है। उड़ जा अब तेरी बारी है, उड़ जा अब तेरी बारी है। उड़ जा अब तेरी बारी है।
Let us now listen to the man who doesn't need any introduction and known among all of us for his wisdom and knowledge, our Honorable Principal Sir Mr. Vivid Gupta.
Greetings everybody. Today we are celebrating World Mental Health Day to raise awareness on mental health issues around the world. The pandemic has impacted the human health not only physically but also socially and emotionally. We have been struggling within the four walls of our home, either socially or emotionally, if not physically. Past 18 months have been tough for our students. The social and emotional connect that they had at school helped them to prepare for bigger challenges at life. But due to the pandemic, our students have remained away from those sweet and sour experiences during the most important part of their growing years. Hence, it is now more necessary that we join our hands together and create an environment where students can grow both emotionally and socially. Mental health is one of the most neglected areas of public health. I strongly believe that mental well-being begins with self-love and self-confidence. In this fast-moving life, we may spend hours on the social media, but we have stopped loving ourselves, stopped being ourselves. To promote mental well-being, it is essential that we indulge in self-care. The man who loves himself, loves nature, is the one who loves everyone and is loved by everyone. At Bal Bhavan, we always strive to ensure that a right blend of modern and traditional experiences are provided to our students. This keeps them aware about the latest trends while also ensuring they remain grounded to their roots. We believe that a person who remains associated with its roots will always remain happy and contented, which are the keys in ensuring good mental health. To enjoy good mental health, it is necessary that we remain righteous in our approach. When we are morally sound, we will be able to conquer our fears. A person who is able to conquer his fears will remain happy always. On this World Mental Health Day, I want all my dear students to be morally sound, conquer their fear, and emerge as happy individuals who can contribute in the progress of this nation. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We hope today's morning assembly has motivated our children to taking care of their mental health. We should be optimistic and break the chain by being kind to others. With this, students of class 10 now concludes today's morning assembly.